Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Infinix model and Android build so you can target the right settings. This matters because UI labels differ. Next, restart the phone to clear transient glitches, then immediately test if notifications return. Once done, boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps temporarily. This isolates whether an app is blocking the notification bar. If notifications appear in safe mode, make a list of recently installed or updated apps. You will address them in the next step. You now dive into notification settings and reset any custom rules that may be suppressing the shade. This fixes cases where channels or do not disturb rules are misapplied. Then, check system UI and your launcher for notification permission and battery optimization exclusions. Clearing their cache and forcing a stop can restore normal behavior. Once done, remove or disable any suspicious app you noted earlier and update system apps, including Google Play services. Outdated components, finish by backing up important data, then perform a factory reset if previous steps failed. This often fixes persistent notification bar failures by restoring stock settings. If the reset doesn't help, you can flash official firmware using the correct Infinix ROM and validated flashing tool. Do this only with the exact model build to avoid bricking. Finally, remember this key troubleshooting tip. Always reproduce the issue in safe mode first. If notifications work there, the fault is almost certainly a third-party app, not the phone software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.